Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the camera family, select slow motion, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can change slow-mo frame rate, which is basically changes its speed actually. So like 120 FPS is like the fastest slow-mo you have, 240 is slightly slower, 480 is like medium slow-mo, and 960 FPS it's like the extremely slow motion, like the slowest you've seen in your life or something like that. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.